Good morning, student. Last day we have started geometry, playing with geometry. We have started playing with geometry. Today we will continue that playing. Last day we have finished so many definitions. Today some more definitions we have to know. Parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel if they never meet. This is the two lines which are parallel to each other, and parallel lines denoted by these two arrowhead. If we extend these two lines, then they will never meet. Such type of lines known as parallel lines. Then concurrent lines. We have to know regarding concurrent lines. Three or more lines pass through same point. If three or more lines pass through same point, then the lines are called concurrent lines. So many lines drawn here, they pass through a point. Since all these lines are concurrent lines. Next, a new definition, ray. A line which has an initial points and extends indefinitely is called ray. This is a line with arrowhead in one end and a fixed point on another end. This fixed point is initial point. It has extended indefinitely. This is called ray. Then plane, a flat surface which extends indefinitely in all direction is called plane. Flat surface, when it is extended in all direction, then it is plane. Suppose a figure, a plane. Next, line segment, the line which has two endpoints. It has a fixed measurement is known as line segment. A and B are two fixed points. This has a fixed or definite length since it is a line segment. Next, we will find out or we will play with the relation between a point, a line and a plane. We have started our playing with geometry with point, then infinite number of points from line, and then uncountable number of lines from plane. This is clear to us. Number one, a point is the union of a set of points a line is the union of a set of points one after another a line is the union of a set of points one after another. Number 2, the intersection of two lines is indicate a point. Very interesting. A line is the union of set of points one after another, and the intersection of two lines is indicates a point. Next, number 3, a plane is the union of a set of lines one after another. A plane is the union of a set of lines one after another. Line, point and planes are correlated. Points from lines, intersection of line is point, and set of lines from a plane. Conversely, if a plane is reduced, suppose this is a plane, converse. Suppose this is a plane. If a plane is reduced, this is a plane, or take it more. Suppose this is a plane, and when this plane is reduced like this, then reduced plane comes into, if a plane is reduced, then it comes into a line. It was shown first. This is line. At first it was a plane. A plane is reduced, then it comes into a line. Number 5, if a line is reduced, if a line is reduced, then it comes into a point. Very interesting plane. Suppose this is a line. If you reduce this, reduce, then it comes into a point. Lines, when reduced, then it comes into a point. Next, Number 6. Through a point, uncountable number of lines can be drawn. Through a point, uncountable number of lines can be drawn. Uncountable numbers can be drawn through a line, through a point. Through a point, uncountable number of lines can be drawn. Suppose this is point, uncountable number of lines can be drawn. This is very interesting, playing with the 3-point, line and plane. Now, let us start. Angles. In a plane, when two skewed lines meet at a point, then they form angle or angles. The playing with two lines, two intersecting lines meet at a point and they form angle or angles. Already we have discussed. Now we will know the different types of angles. If two lines meet at a point, then they form angle. Examples: this is angle, this is angle, this is also angle, this is also angle, this is also angle. Two lines meet at a point, all these two lines meet at a point and they form different types of angles. Each angle has a definite name. It is known to us, angle is measured by degree, minute or second, and their relations also known to us. We have finished last day. Angles are drawn by protractor and also by the ruler and compass is also. First we have to know the definitions of angles and we have to draw. acute angle. The angle which is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Example: 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 55 degree, 72 degree, 89 degree. All these are the examples of acute angle because all these angles are less than 90 degree. Right angle. The angle which is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. This is the right angle because the measurement two lines are perpendicular to each other makes an angle 90 degree, which is denoted by the symbol right angle. Angle which is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Next, obtuse angle. The angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Example: 95 degree, 100 degree, 115 degree, 120 degree, 175 degree, 189 degree, 179 degree. All these angles are the examples of obtuse angle, more than 90 but less than 180 degree. If you draw a figure, here let us draw a figure for acute angle, one angle 30 degree suppose. This is the angle 30 degree. Right angle, obtuse angle. I am drawing. Approximately it is 150 degree. This is 135 degree obtuse angle. Then straight angle. Straight angle, the angle which is exactly 180 degrees is called straight angle. The angle which is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. This angle is 180 degree straight angle. From the definitions and examples of acute, right, obtuse and straight angle, we can easily say which are what angle. This is acute, this is right angle, this is obtuse angle, this is straight angle. And this is remaining yet not discussed. Reflex angle. The angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. This is the angle. Example, 200 degree, 200 degree, 250 degree, 270 degree, 300 degree, etc. These are the reflex angle. And if we draw a figure, then it will be this reflex angle. All the idea of angles already finished. Now we will find out the different types of angles and we will solve some problems. Question number 1. Already complementary and supplementary angles discussed last day. Now we will solve some problems. Find the complement and supplement of the following angles. Number 1, 30 degree. Number 2, 45 degree. Number 3, 40 degree, 40 minute, 45 seconds. Let us find both the complement and supplement of the following angles. Answer. Number 1, the complement of 30 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 30 degree equal to 60 degree. In the last day, we have finished complementary and supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles equal to 90 degree, then the angles are said to be complementary angles, and one is said to be the complement of other. Again, I am repeating, how will you find out the complement of an angle? The complement of an angle we can find by subtracting that angle from 90 degree. The complement of 30 degree equal to 90 minus 30 equal to 60 degree. This is the answer. Number 2, the complement of 45 degree equal to 90 degree minus 45 degree equal to 45 degree. This is the answer. Number 3, the complement of 40 degree, 40 minute, 40 seconds. It is not so easy. Method is same. We have to subtract this from 90 degree. This is 90 degree minus 40 degree, 40 minute, 40 seconds. But it is not so easy. Now, also the relation known to us, 360 degree equal to 1 rotation, 180 degree straight angle, 90 degree right angle, 1 degree 60 minute, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. It is known to us. Reduce this. This is 89 degree. 1 degree is subtracted. Then 59 minute and 60 second. 90 degree is reduced in this form. 89 degree plus 1 degree equal to 90 degree. 1 degree is reduced to 59 minutes and 60 seconds. 60 seconds, that is 1 minute, and 60 minutes equal to 1 degree minus 40 degree, 40 minute, 40 seconds. That's equal to, we may subtract like this, 40 degree, 40 minute, 40 seconds. If we subtract, then we will get 20 minutes, sorry, 20 seconds, 19 minutes, this is the answer. Next, supplementary. Number 1, the supplement of 30 degree equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree equal to 150 degree. This is the answer. Number 2, the supplement of 45 degree equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree equal to 135 degree. This is the answer. And the supplement of 40 degree, 40 minute, 40 seconds equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree, 40 minute, 40 seconds. Same, 179 degree, 59 minute, 60 second, minus 40 degree, 40 minute, 40 seconds. 20 minutes, this is the answer. These are very interesting. We have reached to find the complement and supplement of an angle given. How? Complement we can find by subtracting the angle from 90 degree, and supplement of an angle we can find by subtracting that angle from 180 degree. Now, if we draw the angles of, suppose number 1, this is one angle, its measurement 90 degree, another angle. Then sum of these two angles equal to